the logic of basic sentiments and emotions, let me tell you. See, your normal logic, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This applies only to mathematics. It doesn't apply at the level of emotion or awareness. What do I mean by this? If you share love, if you give service, if you give care, empathy, it only grows. Usually people don't want to give because they feel somewhere they will lose. It will deplete something in them. The logic of emotion is as you give, it grows. Please see this. Suppose there is a mother at home. Now you are the son. When you go home, she gives 100% of her love to you. She is so happy that you have come. She does so many things for you. A mother's nature is like that. Now after a few days, your sister also comes. She is able to give 100% of her love to that sister also. Now if she gave 100% love to you, she must be at 0 level now when your sister comes, according to your mathematics. But this maths doesn't work like this. She is able to give 100% love to your sister also. When somebody else comes, a guest comes, she is able to give love to that guest also. She is able to serve everybody. Why? She is basically of a loving disposition. She is a person with love. This is the nature of love. The more you give, the more it grows. 2 minus 2 is equal to 4, not 0. Which means what? If you give your love to somebody, you feel it is 2 minus 2, you don't become 0. It adds to you, you become 4. You have developed the loving disposition and you can give out more and more. When does it deplete within you? If you don't give it. If you don't give your love, it will become 0. If you don't give care, if you don't give attention to others, if you don't include others in your life, you will become a 0. The more you give, the more it grows. You know, you have heard of Purnamadam Purnamidam, Purnat Purnamudachyate, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnamevavashishyate. This is an important mantra in Vedas. They are telling you that is Purna. Brahman is Purnam. This world, which is its manifestation, also is Purnam. And that Purnam creates this Purnam. And if you remove Purnam from Purnam, Purnam remains over. Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. It means this. If you give wholly of something, still it remains over as whole. If you cannot give, you will get depleted of it. So this is the logic of love. If you want to be happy, you must have a loving disposition, one of giving. You are the giver anywhere. Just now you cannot give monetarily, but how can you give? You see, to your family, how can you give? You can give in terms of love and care and attention, feeling, isn't it? In so many ways you can show your love. But if you want to remain totally away, or you don't even acknowledge what they have done for you, what your society has done for you, how much you have taken from society, then you will become loveless, unhappy. So understand this, a loving disposition naturally brings great happiness into your life.